Good morning, you're on with attorney Vince Davis. Did you have a story to tell or a question to ask?
Good morning. I have a question to ask. This is actually a follow-up. I called about twice. I wasn't able to call in last week, but regarding housing assistance through the CPS.
Yes, I recall. I remember.
Yeah. Okay. So, unfortunately, I'm kind of giving up on that now. You know, like you suggested, it helps with paying for an apartment or whatever. But the issue seems to be the fact that I'm on the family maintenance phase. So they're basically telling me that there is no possibility for them to help in housing because I'm on the family maintenance phase. Is that true?
Okay. Now, that's a tricky question, and it's splitting hairs in my opinion. Now, this is just my opinion, okay? Based upon my experience as an attorney for 31 years, based upon my experience in the juvenile court system, based upon my research, my reading cases. In my humble opinion, it doesn't matter. But, here's the but. I can see them making an argument, and might be making a legitimate argument, that it doesn't apply because you're on family maintenance and not family reunification services. But here's the problem with that argument. If you go homeless, guess who's going to want to take your kids away from you? The county social worker.
For me to move forward with being a better parent to my daughter, because I can't move in with them at this point and I'm in a transitional housing, I can't have overnights with her, also because of another program I put myself into to back up my recovery. But I can't have overnights with her. I can't, I really can't be the mother to her, and she's suffering from that, you know what I'm saying? So they're like that. So I don't understand, or I was under the impression that they would, the moral of CPS is really to help reunify, supposedly, with our kids, right?
That's what they say.
Right. How am I supposed to be there, be a better mother and apply all the things that I've learned in the past 6 months, you know what I'm saying, to do that for her when I'm stuck, you know what I'm saying? I don't qualify for any housing in the county, in San Mateo County, because I don't have mental health issues. I don't know. She's a good lawyer, but I just feel like she could actually just at least try and, state the fact that I can't move forward with my kid, at where I'm at.
Well, wait a minute. Are your children with you or not with you?
My daughter is with her father, but we still have a case. We still have an open case. So she was in foster care for 45 days, and we did everything we had to do, get her back in our home. But since then, I relapsed, and then I had to go to a drug program. I completed that. I put myself into another long-term drug program. Because that's when I was supposed to jail, but I didn't want to put my daughter, through having me totally gone.
Well, wait a minute, ma'am.
So I'm not in the home.
Okay, so you're not in family maintenance. The father is in family maintenance. You should still be under family reunification services.
Really?
Yeah. It's family maintenance as to the father. It should be family reunification services as to the mother. So if the social worker told you that, the social worker may not know, or she may be trying to be fast talking you so that you don't, she doesn't have to give you those services. By the way, what you're asking for, although in my opinion is part of the law, just, politically speaking, I don't get the feeling that county workers or maybe even judges, want to give you or want to pay for your housing, just as a matter of personal principle.
Yeah, I get that feeling completely.
Yeah. So, the best thing that I could do is, talk to your attorney, try to make the motion and see what the judge does. I mean, the judge can only deny it. What if the court grants it in part or in whole? And as I told you, I think on previous shows, there is legal authority for this. There's a whole nother section of the Welfare and Institutions Code that a lot of people don't know about the 16,500 sections, it talks about family reunification services, what it is. There's cases
Right.
from California and other jurisdictions that, have ruled what family reunification services are. There are, probably federal cases that talk about this as well. Because all of this stuff comes from federal regulation, federal laws, and federal, it's all federal money.
Right.
Federal money runs the juvenile
Okay.
system in California. And I wish you luck. I hope, you can get this housing so you can get your child back.
Yeah, thank you. I go to court on the 25th, so I'll let you know what happens.
Okay, very good.
After.
Good luck to you.
All right, thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.